So I'm going to show you how to reset all the network and Bluetooth settings on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then go to reset, tap on that, and then scroll down to the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you tap on that, it's going to prompt you to reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all your connections, all your Bluetooth connections, all your Wi-Fi connections, all saved Wi-Fi networks to Wi-Fi networks you had connected previously. Everything's going to get reset back to default. So tap on that if you're sure, and then it's going to say Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Simple as that. So you can see it's actually forgotten and disconnected me from my current Wi-Fi network. That's what it does. Thanks for watching and good luck.